Hello friends, welcome to Kalosona channel. Today I bring you a very easy sweet called Rosbora, that is sweet juice filled dumplings made very often. It all starts with this dal or pulses and ends like this in round or irregular shaped sweets which are called boras or dumplings. And it's very sweet to taste. It is soft and porous inside and full of sweet jaggery or sugar juice. So without much ado, let's start. This is what we make out of the dal. We soak the dal overnight and at least for 4 to 6 hours, if not 12, and then we make a paste of it. The actual part of the trick is to beat it very well to make the paste fluffy. The more you beat it, the color will change to light white or creamy color and the paste will become fluffy and light. Here you can see from the yellowish color the paste has changed color to white. Now how to taste whether it is properly fluffy or not? You drop a little bit of the paste into a water-filled bowl, and if more than 2/3 of it is floating, it indicates the paste is done. That is, air has been incorporated into the paste. Now we come to frying the paste. I am using white oil. You can use any oil of your choice, that is odorless oil. And there, when the oil is heated up, just stick it on all sides to make the wok non-stick. And this is how we are dropping it. You can always drop it with a spoon if you are not comfortable with your hands. But I prefer my hands because we have done it like this throughout the ages. So this is how we allow the paste or the dal paste to fry in, and this will result in the boras or the dumplings. Let them fry very well on one side before turning them, and be careful to turn them because if they are not well done, as the dal paste is very sticky, your spatula will be full of dal paste and covered in it. There you can see it's not fried and sticky here. It is sticking to your spatula, so be careful before you turn them over. That is, they should be well done before they are turned to one side. I'm frying them and now I'm turning them. You can see one side is done. There. The color changes from white or cream to golden brown or golden. That indicates that the frying is almost complete. So batch by batch, you have to fry these dumplings in order to make the sweets. These are the boras, which will be then soaked in sugar juice and made into rasbaras or juice soaked baras. There I have fried it a little bit more. Be careful to avoid this dark stain. Make them lighter in color. There the second batch goes in for frying. If you like my recipes, do encourage me by subscribing, as I am having a lot of views, but I am afraid the viewers are not subscribing so much. So please do subscribe and encourage me, as I am a new channel. And also like, share and comment if you want to see some special recipe or my recipes have any deficiencies in them. Do point them out and I'll be very grateful to receive suggestions from any of you regarding my cooking. I do very simple cooking which is done in a Bengali household, and as I cook for myself, so I picture only those recipes which can be cooked easily and without much ingredients. That is, whatever is present in your home goes into my cooking. So this is a delectable sweet dish which is used very often in every household, especially during the winter months. It is called Rosbora Pitha also. That is, it is a type of pitha or dumpling. I'm taking out the rosboras as soon as they turn crispy and golden brown. I have almost done 2 to 3 batches. So again, if you find this interesting, do subscribe. I'm taking water and 3 parts of sugar along with 1 part of jaggery to make the juice. You have to make it just sticky by boiling, and then drop the rosboras into it and let the boras soak the juice and become swelled up. So you need not make a very thick juice, and put a little bit of salt to balance the taste. This is how the rosboras are done. I'm checking with my fingers whether the juice is just sticky or not. And now I'm dropping the rasboras into it and turning the gas off and allowing the rasboras to soak in the juice by covering them and letting them rest. There goes in the rasboras. Just try to soak them a little. Gradually they'll swell up and come to rest and become beautiful rasbora